Welcome to Success Journey. This is Chika Amadi. Simple success. Today we are going to be looking at strategy. Strategy. Invest or squander. There are no successes without strategy now. There are no successes without strategy. In fact, no one can stand out without strategy and without standard. No one can stand out without standard. So to succeed, you need strategy. And in fact, you need to be intentional about it. You need to be intentional. If you desire to be successful in life, you need to be strategic and you need to be intentional. It's not something you stumble into. It's something you plan. You have to be strategic about it. In life, God has blessed each and every one of us, including you, with so many gifts, good health, intellect, good ideas, time, free will to make best choices, money, word, and talent. God has given you all this. But the issue is, how strategic are you with them? How strategic are you with them? Invest each and every one of them wisely. The free will God has given to you, how do you invest it? By making important, right choices and decisions. You have to make up your mind not to squander what you are supposed to invest. Your time is supposed to be invested. The money, the little money you have is supposed to be invested and not squandered on fashion, things you can't afford, driving the best of cars. No. There are money meant for investment and there are also money meant for spending. So be strategic about it. Do not invest or spend or squander what you are supposed to invest. Do not squander what you are supposed to invest. There is a currency more valuable than money. One of my friends, Pastor Jeff Oka, gave me this word and it has changed my life. He says, there is a currency more valuable than money and it is called time. Use your time wisely. Use your time wisely. If you want to be an influencer, a successful person is a great influencer. So the way you use your time is very important. Your word as well, the word of your mouth, can be your greatest investment in your journey to success. The word of your mouth. Invest the word of your mouth. Learn how to speak kind words. Learn how to speak words that do not cause offense or that will bring offense to you. Not everybody, once in a while, people will misunderstand you. But you know what? Just keep on doing it. Invest your word kindly. Invest your word wisely. Be generous with your kindness. In fact, to be successful, you must avoid whatever that will cause you offense or that has the potential to cause offense. Deliberately avoid them. If you want to be a great influencer, if you want to reach your success journey, you want to be a success tomorrow, you must use all these gifts that God has given to you wisely. Be strategic about them. Be intentional about them. Do not squander what you are supposed to invest. Thank you for listening.